This is JR from R Enterprises with an in-process video on truck number 8115. It's not complete as yet. It will be in like new condition. Mileage is under 500. The chassis is a new 2022 Ram 5500 with 108-inch cab to axle, facilitating a large module. The module is a converted Kodiak Type 3 module with added structure and diamond plate on the front to facilitate transition from Type 3 format to Type 1 format. It's two-wheel drive. The engine is a 6.7 liter Cummins diesel. Overall length is 25 feet 6 inches. Overall height is 112.5 inch. The headroom is 72. The box is large enough to accommodate many missions, bariatric, ALS, critical care, and even a NICU. It is a Braun module. It has new paint, new rotary latches, new paddle latches, new gaskets, new wheeling siren and speakers, new wheeling LEDs exterior. It has a new trip light inverter and charger. It also has a new HVAC system. It has new running boards, new diamond plate, mud guards, new rub rails, a new extendable curb step, and also a new diamond plate flip-up rear step. It is a new 2022 Ram 5500 108-inch cab to axle with large module. It is two-wheel drive and diesel. The body configuration is left front. Storage with 2 adjustable shelves. Another could be added if desired. Number 2 is a double door compartment with adjustable shelf. It has 2 diesel tanks with a range of over 500 miles. L number 3, the left rear, has inside-outside access with 2 adjustable shelves. New diamond plate aluminum structure bumper with extra deep step and flip up. The load height after kneeling is approximately 30 inches. Unit will be fitted with liquid ride system for ride and kneeling capabilities. Interior configuration is left side attendant seat, forward and aft action areas with storage below, behind, and above. It has a VMUX system with control heads in the rear action area and also on the new front console. Power distribution quarters is behind the attendant seat. The attendant seat will be fitted in this unit. Will be a combination child, adult, 4-point restraint. It is a Type 1 partial walk-through configuration, 36-inch high opening. It has a new console, new wheel and siren head, area for mounting of radios, beverages, and document storage. It also has a door to close off the pass-through. Storage above the bulkhead with locking drug cabinet, right front inside-outside access to the advanced life support compartment. Glove storage above the curbside door. It has a body side window that can be closed off. And grease board. Right rear compartment has inside-outside access. It also houses the oxygen storage. There's additional storage below the squad bench. Also a place for hazardous, sharps, and infectious waste. It also has an extendable step keyed up by the opening and closing of the door. Has a sliding door configuration, making visibility on the curbside better. Right rear compartment has a universal bracket for oxygen cylinders and also longboard storage. Right front compartment has inside-outside access to the ALS, HVAC and serviceability below that, and also the inverter is stored where the battery compartment was. The unit has 2 batteries and they're under hood in this Type 1 configuration. If you have questions or would like more information on truck number 8115, please call 1-833-ReMount or visit our website at www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.